Hey there, English learners! Welcome to Kunzy in English. I'm Nasa, and today we have something super. Are you ready to level up your everyday English? In this episode, we're going to explore 50 essential words that you'll use every day in real-life situations. These words will help you communicate confidently and naturally. So let's dive in and get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Let's go. Morning routine. Let's learn 5 simple actions you do every morning. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, I wash my face with cold water, I get dressed for school, I go to the kitchen to eat breakfast. Now let's say it all together, slowly and clearly. I wake up. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I get dressed, I go to the kitchen. Repeat it again. Feel the words. This is your real morning. In English, eating and cooking. Let's talk about eating and cooking. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I am hungry. I cook rice. I prepare breakfast. I eat an egg. I drink some water. Now say it again with feeling. I am hungry. I cook rice, I prepare breakfast, I eat an egg, I drink water. This is your daily life. Say it like it's real. Feel the words. Own the moment. Cleaning and organizing. Let's talk about cleaning and organizing. Say the words slowly and clearly. Feel each action. Live each word. I clean my room, I wash my clothes, I organize my books, I tidy my desk, my hands are dirty. Now my room is neat. Now say it again with life. I clean my room. I wash my clothes. I organize my books. I tidy my desk. My hands are dirty. Now my room is neat. You are not just learning English. You are building habits. Clean mind. Clean words. Clean life. Moving and traveling. Let's move. Let's travel. Feel the movement in every word. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. I walk to the park. I run in the morning. I drive to work. I ride my bike. I travel to a new city. I arrive at the station. I leave my house at 7 a.m. Now repeat with energy. I walk to the park. I run in the morning. I drive to work. I ride my bike. I travel to a new city. I arrive at the station. I leave my house at 7 a.m. You are not just saying words. You are going places. You are moving forward in English and in life. Talking and communicating. Let's talk. Let's connect. Words are powerful. Use them. Say them with meaning. I talk to my teacher. I listen to my friend. I speak English every day. I ask questions. I answer with care. I explain my ideas. I share my story. Now, say it again, slowly and clearly. I talk to my teacher. I listen to my friend. I speak English every day. I ask questions. I answer with care. I explain my ideas. I share my story. Every word brings you closer. Closer to confidence. Closer to connection. Closer to fluency. Emotions and feelings. Feelings are real. Feelings are strong. Let's speak them. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel bored. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel worried. I feel angry. I feel nervous. He looks happy. She looks tired. They look worried. You look calm. Say it slowly and feel each word. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. He looks angry. She looks excited. You look relaxed. You are not your feelings, but your feelings matter. Speak them with honesty and learn to understand them. Polite and social words. Polite words make us kind. Social words keep us connected. Let's practice them together. Hello, how are you? Excuse me, may I ask a question? Sorry, I was late. Thank you for your help. Please pass me the salt. Welcome to my home. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your time. Please wait here. Excuse me, can I go through? You can say hello to start a conversation. You can say thank you to show appreciation. You can say sorry when you make a mistake. You can say excuse me to get someone's attention. Remember, these words make communication warm, They create respect and kindness. Use them every day. Make your speech polite and friendly. Describing things. Describing things helps us explain how they look, feel, or move. Let's describe together. My phone is black. The coffee is hot. The sky is blue. The ball is round. The box is square. The car is fast. The dog is small. The weather is cold today. The cake is big. The river is slow. You can use words like big or small, hot or cold to describe how things feel. Fast or slow for speed. Round or square for shapes. And red, blue, or other colors for appearance. Describing things helps us share details clearly. Location and place. To explain where something is, we use location words. Let's learn some common ones. My keys are inside the drawer. The cat is behind the sofa. The store is far from here. I am standing in front of the door. The park is between the school and the library. The book is inside the bag. The dog is outside the house. The car is near the bus stop. You can use words like near or far. To show distance behind or in front, to talk about positions. Between for something in the middle, inside, and outside to explain what is inside or outside a place. Time and day. To talk about time, we use words for different parts of the day. Here are some examples. I will go shopping in the evening. I always wake up in the morning. I work in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. Yesterday, I went to the park. Today, I'm feeling happy. Tomorrow, I will meet my friends. Now, I am listening to music. Later, I will study. I will see you soon. I always drink coffee in the morning. Use words like morning, afternoon, and evening to talk about parts of the day. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow help explain time. Now, later, and soon talk about what will happen next. Always tells us something that happens all the time. Numbers and quantities. We use numbers and quantity words to talk about how much or how many of something we have. Here are some examples. I need 2 apples. I want less sugar. There are many books on the table. I have a few friends. I saw some birds in the park. I have a lot of homework. She has more time than me. I need less salt in my food. There are more people in the room today. I bought 1 book. Use numbers like 1, 2, and 3 to count things. Many, few, and some. Help us talk about amounts. A lot means a large amount. Less and more help compare quantities. Weather. We use weather words to talk about the conditions outside. Here are some examples. Today is sunny. It's very hot today. It's raining outside. The weather is cold this morning. It's windy today. Tomorrow will be cloudy. The forecast says it will snow. The weather is stormy right now. It's 20 degrees outside. It looks like it's going to rain soon. We can also use words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and stormy to describe the weather. Hot and cold tell us about the temperature. The forecast tells us what the weather will be like soon. Work and job. We use these words to talk about work and jobs. Here are some examples. I go to work every day. I have a meeting with my boss. I talk to my colleagues at the office. My job is interesting. I'm working on a new project. I enjoy my work. My office is on the 2nd floor. I help my colleague with their tasks. I finish my work at 5 p.m. My boss gives me important tasks to do. Shopping and money. We use these words when we talk about shopping and money. Here are some examples. I want to buy a new phone. The price of this jacket is high. This book is cheap. I paid with cash. I paid by card. The store is offering a discount. I sell clothes in my shop. I need a receipt for my purchase. The shoes are expensive, but I really like them. I'm looking for a special offer. Health and illness. We use these words when talking about health and illness. Here are some examples. I feel sick. I have a fever. I caught a cold. I have a headache. My throat hurts. I need some medicine. I went to the doctor. I have an appointment at the clinic. I feel pain in my back. I need to rest and recover. I have a bad cough. The doctor gave me some medicine. I feel better now. Likes and preferences. We use these words when talking about what we like, love, or dislike. Here are some examples. I like reading books. I love playing soccer. I enjoy watching movies. My favorite color is blue. I prefer tea over coffee. I hate waking up early. I like to travel. My favorite hobby is painting. I love spending time with my friends. I enjoy listening to music. I prefer chocolate ice cream to vanilla. My favorite season is summer. Technology. We use these words when talking about technology and devices we use every day. Here are some examples. My phone is charging. I need to check my email. I sent you a message. The Wi-Fi is not working. I installed a new app on my phone. My phone battery is low. I use the internet to search for information. I call my friend to talk. I have a meeting on Zoom. I need to charge my laptop. The app helps me learn new things. My Wi-Fi connection is fast. Thank you so much for listening. You've made an amazing step toward improving your English today. Your dedication and effort are truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kunzy in English for more exciting content. Keep up the great work, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next episode.